During visual mental imagery, perceptual information is retrieved from long-term memory, resulting in the subjective impression of seeing with the mind's eye. Phenomenological similarity between visual imagery and visual perception has been noted at least since the time of the Greek philosophers. Plato, for instance, describes mental imagery by using the metaphor of a mental artist painting pictures in the soul. Philebus 39c. That excerpt comes from the article Brain Areas Underlying Visual Mental Imagery and Visual Perception, an fMRI, by authors Giorgio Janis, William L. Thompson, Stephen M. Koslin. I am Alexandria. I am an imagination and manifestation expert, and as a visual and performing artist, I use my imagination for creativity and to manifest the things that I desire. And if you are somebody who is interested in manifesting the things that you desire through using your imagination, I have a couple of books for you. The links for those books will be in the description. We used functional magnetic resonance imaging, fMRI, to assess the maximal degree of shared neural processing in visual mental imagery and visual perception. Participants either visualized or saw faint drawings of similar objects and then judged specific aspects of the drawings, which could only be evaluated properly if they used the correct stimulus. The results document that visual imagery and visual perception draw on most of the same neural machinery. However, although the vast majority of activated VOC cells were activated during both conditions, the spatial overlap was neither complete nor uniform. The overlap was much more pronounced in frontal or parietal regions than in temporal or occipital regions. This finding may indicate that cognitive control processes function comparably in both imagery and perception, whereas at least some sensory processes may be engaged differently by visual imagery and perception. The link for this article will also be in the description. I am doing what I have heard and witnessed a man named Minister Jew do, which is to feed the logical brain the data and information that it needs in order for the imagination to be able to take place, or for people to be able to get into the imagination space, because sometimes us wanting to learn so much about a thing can keep us from actually experiencing it, because we feel like we need to know about it. We need to know it. We need to know it, which is true. We do. And I give that credit to this man. He is the reason why I read neuroscience journals, psychological journals. Minister Jew, that's Minister J.U. You can find him on all platforms, I believe. The Imagination Guru or the Imagination Guru Ministries. He has a membership. I say follow that gentleman there, because he knows exactly what he's talking about. If you are interested in getting more of this type of content, please subscribe. If this has been a helpful video for you, please like it and please share with others. Alexandria signing off.